Good morning, crafters, and first, happy St. Patrick's Day, and welcome to my channel. This is Carol, the Crafting Mama, coming to you, and I just wanted to get on and show you how to de-kit or kit down a kit after you have finished the diamond painting. And you guys saw on the video yesterday or the day before my completion of my Diamond Art Club dressed up square kit. So I'm going to show you what I do once I'm done with the kit, and then you've got your bottles or whatever you're storing them in, to and then go and get them stored into something if you were keeping your diamonds. Now I went ahead and I did most of them. I've left 5 to do to show you because I didn't think you needed to be watching me kit down 32 different colors, so I left the last 5, and I'm just going to explain what I've done. And first of all, this is my box that I keep all of my diamonds in that are from kits that I'm going to keep in case either a kit is missing a color, if I'm going to do some like freestyle kind of kitting, or I know a lot of people are doing those heaven and earth designs, and I don't totally understand those yet, but I know that they don't come with the diamonds, so this would be good for that. And just took this is like a photo memory, a photo storage box or a storage box. That's the only thing that is somewhat of a cost, but they're only like between $4 and $6. I saw them at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure they're at other craft stores, photo, photo stores that have like archival kind of things, probably at Walmart as well. And then these little bags, and I had these from before, just because this is one of the ways that I keep my kids' Legos all organized, is I keep them in these as well, or got that touch of OCD, so I love board games. All my board games, all their stuff is in plastic, or like the dice, the pawns, anything that's little like that is going to be stuck in this. And just a second, I've got a little person coming out. Just a second. Okay, sorry about that. That was actually Crafting Daddy coming out. He is up for the day. It is still pretty early here in Florida, and once again, my kids have not slept, so we've kept them in the bedroom, hoping that they're gonna lay down and go to sleep. But this is my box. So those are the two things that I had, and then I just took and cut up cardboard from food packaging. Like a cracker box. I've got a mac and cheese box. Just whatever's laying around. So it's really simple, easy. It's a great way to recycle your cardboard that way too. And I just made sure it was just a little bit taller than my bag. Do it this way so you can. So a little bit taller than your bag, so that way you can see the number and not have to be digging down. And then this one, once again, just that cardboard to divide the bag, so, and just cut them the width that the holes are, the slots are. So I've got 5 to do. I'm going to show you how I kit it down. So get this turned around so that I can see the numbers, and we will get started. And then I just wrote on the cardboard the number, the DMC number. This is my DMC box, the DMC number. And then on some small, and this, once again, I had these stickers, but you can order Amazon, an office supply store, anything like that, you can get that. So, and then you just write the number, and then I put an S here because these are my squares, and then with my ones that were round, I put an R so that I knew that it's a square of the round bag. Okay, so you've got your bottle that you were doing from, and it's got its label with what number it is. And this one is, if I could get my eyes to focus, this one's 3837. So, And I had gone ahead and just made all of these labels earlier. 38, 37, you get your sticker, put it on a bag, just set it down like that, take your lid off, open up your small baggie, sorry about that here, and get my fingers to work here. There we go. And just dump it in. And then make sure you get it, you seal it good, because the last thing you want is your beads, your diamond bags to drop and then things to fall out. And you can store them either laying this way or this way. I thought I could get more in my box so that it would be more economical standing upright, so that's what I did here. And then you put it in your box, and then you just take your sticker off. And now this container is ready to use for your next kit that you're going to work on. Then here I've got 38, 30. Oh, I got to put my sticker on. Open your bag. And pour it in. So, and then close it. And the old label off if it's going to decide to come off for me. And you're ready to go. And then what you want to do is then take your box, and I've got my label for my 3830, and then just go in here and find where it goes. And then just stick it in so then everything's in numerical order. And this row is actually starting to get full, which is a good fun thing. So 38, 37, and 38, 37 I actually had one around. So here you can see on this bag I've got the little R there. So I've got them separated because you don't want to have your rounds and your squares together, but you can stick them in the same spot and not have to have a box for rounds and a box for squares. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move a few of these over to my next section so they're there, and then get going with the last three. So I hope everyone is having a marvelous day. It is St. Patrick's Day. Hope everybody gets a little bit of luck they need. And it is also the National Medical Residency Match Day. So if you've got a med student in your life today and they're in their last year of med school, today is the day that they find out what hospital they have matched with to start their residency work, their training work. And I have a cousin who is a med student, and so today is his match day. So Cody, I hope you get matched somewhere where in your top two, because I know that's going to keep you closer to home. And I know your mom and your mother-in-law, who is my cousin, that they probably want you to stay close to home for as long as you and Elena can. And I don't know, I used to be nanny for triplets, and Joe, one of the boy triplets, is studying to be a doctor as well, and I can't remember if he's already matched or if today is his match day too. I can't remember what year of med school he's in. So, Joe, if it's for you too, I hope it goes well for you. So just a shout out to all those future doctors out there. Got 2 left to do. Just making sure that you've got the right one going in the right spots. And I mean, it's super simple to kit down something. It sometimes just takes a little bit. It all depends on how many colors you have, and if you need to make the labels, if you need to make the little cardboard pieces that I've used to kind of match them so I can find them easier. You know, if you have them, if you already have a baggie of them, you just take your baggie that was in there and dump them in the but just make sure that they're a pretty close match, because even though the numbers are the same, sometimes like the lot number for the dyeing of the diamonds is going to be a little off. So some people are very particular on that. So you just want to make sure of that. So let's get these last 2 done real fast. Just making sure I've got them in order. Okay. And get the old label off. And I want to thank you again for watching me. If you like what you've seen, hit the like button. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of the Crafting Mama family, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime a video is uploaded. So let's get this last one done here. Having trouble with the bags this morning, and that's just how it goes sometimes. Okay, so you're gonna get these closed, and you're gonna put this one away, and we'll be done with kitting down this kit. So okay, we are all done with that, and tomorrow's video is going to be actually what to do once you've got everything. The canvases, your diamond painting is done. Now what do I do with it? So that's tomorrow's video. Hope you guys will have a great St. Patrick's Day. Make sure you wear your green, and get out there and have some fun crafting. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.